What we're doing right now is called a canvass of the votes. Mistakes can be made, so what we do after Election Day, we spend a couple days counting the votes, making sure everything is correct, double checking and triple checking all of our work so that when we certify the election, we're certifying the actual, final, and accurate results. That process typically takes in Fairfax County about 4 or 5 days. We are anticipating being finished by Saturday. Once that process is done, we will certify the results, send those results to the State Board of Elections. The State Board begins their canvass of the results on November 25th, and we have no idea how long that could take. Reality is, Fairfax County is the largest jurisdiction in the Commonwealth of Virginia. We have about 3 times as many precincts as our nearest jurisdiction, so we have to be accurate and we have to be careful, and that takes time. So we're looking forward to doing a very thorough and efficient canvass and being out of here hopefully sometime on Saturday.